Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update an Android device to Android version 14. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you will have to head over to the settings of your Android. Now once you're on this page you will have to scroll down. First of all I will show you that what's the Android version of my phone right now. I'll go to about phone and you can see it's Android version 13. Now you can see right here Android version is 13 and you can see it right. So let's go back and now scroll up, and right here you can see an option of system update. You will have to tap on it, and if an update will be available for your phone. Now you can see it says that under recommended that dear users, we have officially launched FunTouch OS 14 powered by Android 14, bringing you a smooth experience and exciting newly customized features. So it's saying that Android 14 is available for my Android and I can simply update on it by tapping on download and install. I'll update it later, and if your device has got a new update you can easily update by doing the same steps. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video let me know in the comment section. Thank you.